Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Wednesday, June the 11th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1, U.S. stock futures are pointing lower as investors digested the latest trade developments and prepare for key inflation data later today. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are down 0.2% after major market indexes turned positive for a third straight session on Tuesday. Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures are similarly lower after each index rose 0.6% yesterday. Bitcoin is little changed at more than $109,000. The 10-year Treasury note yield and oil and gold futures are higher. Number 2, markets are giving a muted response to a U.S.-China framework agreement to get the Geneva tariff truce back on track. Investors are still in the dark about the details of the deal, though it is expected to ease China's grip on rare earths. Plus, the agreement has yet to get sign-off from Presidents Trump and Xi. The 2 largest economies in the world have reached a handshake for a framework. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said, according to the Wall Street Journal. Lutnick didn't disclose details, but noted that Beijing's restrictions on rare earth exports would absolutely be resolved within the new framework. Number 3, Tesla shares are rising 2% in pre-market trading after CEO Elon Musk laid out a timeline to launch the company's robotaxi service and walk back some posts critical of President Donald Trump. Musk indicated the Austin, Texas, rollout of Tesla's robotaxi service could come as early as June 22nd. Number 4, Alphabet's Google is offering buyouts to U.S. employees across multiple divisions within the company, including its search division. The company's Knowledge and Information Division announced its voluntary exit program Tuesday, the company told Investopedia. Buyouts have also been offered to the Tech Titan central engineering teams, the company confirmed. Number 5. In today's macroeconomic data, U.S. mortgage applications to refinance or purchase a home each jumped last week, even as borrowing costs hovered just below 7%. The Mortgage Bankers Association's measure of refinancing climbed 15.6% in the week ended June 6th, the first increase in a month and the biggest jump since early April, according to data released Wednesday. MBA's index of home purchase applications advanced 10.3% to the highest level in 2 months. May's Consumer Price Index (CPI) report showed inflation pressures eased on a monthly basis as investors closely watch for any signs that President Trump's tariffs are impacting what consumers pay. The latest data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics showed that the Consumer Price Index (CPI) increased 2.4% over the prior year in May, a slight uptick from April's 2.3% rise, which marked the lowest yearly increase since February 2021. On a monthly basis, prices increased 0.1%, below April's 0.2% rise and a beat compared to economists' estimates of a 0.2% monthly gain in prices. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.